so I can push up my boobs a little bit. Yay. Yeah, they're not going anywhere. Hi guys, welcome to a mini vlog. My name is Claribel and I will be bringing you along with me. Today I'm starting out with another Pilates class, and I have this cute little outfit from Amazon. This nice little romper that I have in literally like 10 different colors. I'll show you at some point because I'm not even kidding. But I freaking love it. It's so comfortable. It has some padding over here. It snatches you where it needs to be snatched. And it's mad cheap. So I love that. We're gonna do some Pilates little workout, and yeah, we'll see what else. And of course, I start off in my bathroom. Now this is the master bath. We got double vanity. Call me Joanna Gaines. You know, simple, very neutral. Most of my apartment is very like neutral. I used to have an olive tree, but then mommy took it away from me. So I might get another one or not, I'm not sure. But it does look pretty empty back there, so I feel like I need it. Like the greenery here was just so cute. Even lo quitó, but I'm like, all right. Okay, I'll let you have it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little worky workout, and yeah.
Se te ve bien, baby, sin encaje te queda. Tan caliente que quema, tú que te sabes mi tema. Que con ellos te das placer. Rompemos el hielo, pero esta vez quiero algo más.
I don't even think you're going to be waiting a year, because it looks like to me that you're working on something pretty big here, like a big project, big business, or...
It was a good class. Pilates always feels amazing. That's good. So this is what I prepped. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to mix it up. Mix it up like that. Yummy. I did a good job. This shit is good. I really want to take a quick nap because my Pilates class was at 8. So I'm a little tired, okay? I woke up like scared. I woke up 2 minutes before my alarm. I put my alarm for 7 a.m. But my phone was dying. It was at 14%. And I knew that it was dying when I went to sleep. So I woke up like freaking out, like what if it died and it never rang and I missed the class? But no, I woke up 2 minutes right before my alarm. And yes, I have my little pillow and my blankets here just to get comfortable. Here it is. What are we gonna watch? So I started watching The Ultimatum, and within 15 minutes I already hated someone. These shows, they like piss me off, but it's just fun to watch. Some people obviously came on here not wanting their man. Okay, I'm sorry. This chick is insane.
And James,
the shade.
Ryan, and Trey,
can't.
and Roxanne.
Hi guys. So I am on my way to get brunch with the girls, and I'm actually very excited. Lesage said it's a really cool spot and that we needed to look nice. I literally had no time to get ready because I was trying to film a get ready with me, and I underestimated the time that I needed.
Se pone coqueta, que hasta el novio ni lo respeta. Yeah, como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. Se pone coqueta, que hasta en las fotos me etiquetan. Yeah, como ella se mueve.
I'm gonna get into the routine. I'm gonna get it. It's a little rough in the beginning, but I'm trying. house right now because all the girls are meeting there, and then we're just going to take one car and head to the brunch spot.
Hace tiempo estaba por tirarte, pa' solito pillarte, un besito robarte, yo tu gatita gánster, esa carita bonita, diablo que mamacita.
Yo la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita, eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática la luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta.
I got some grapefruit juice.
Yep, that's everything there.
Mocktail life, sober life. Cheers, y'all. Cheers.
I didn't get it.
I didn't get anybody either. It's like so far. Salud. Salud. Salud.
Ready?
Okay. One with Nutella and blueberries, please.
Do you want to get a lunch salad? So feta and so
Yeah. The curls are giving, guys. No, dead ass. I want to sit over here. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's giving Lux. Mira, mira, mira the fountain. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. So why can't we sit out here again?
I'm so confused. This would be so beautiful to have a wedding.
Yeah, you like it? The flowers are beautiful. The beach view. Is this section like closed for now or something?
Yeah, we open at 2 o'clock.
Oh, perfect. Okay, thank you. Oh, wow. Girl, where do you want that picture? Hurry up. We're invading. So this is my meal. I got some eggs Benedict with lobster.
And this one is vanilla pecan tart.
what's this one again?
Raspberry lemon tart.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you so much. I don't know where to put that in my phone.
Bella, which one was good? Oh. Which one did you have?
Like the matcha. It's like a subtle matcha.
Are you gonna eat?
I put them
Ooh. He's like, I'm just drinking. Which one should I try? It's giving, this is the less messy one.
Yeah.
Cheers. Whoa.
You should flip it so you. Yeah. What? It takes all of them probably. I know.
It's good.
What was well about
7 out of 10.
Very dry on the outside. Like you really have to bite into it so it can become.
So you're not gonna like this. Before I was there, the company I was last with, we were so sold.
Imagine this vlog never sees the light of day. That's happened. That's happened.
Just a splash. Just a little bit.
Yeah, they're like, oh,
Wow, that was perfect. How cute is this? I appreciate it. Wow. Right here. No, deadass. Oh, I came to this beach by myself. Loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so you know exactly. Is she leaving? Is she leaving?
Oh, she might be leaving.
Are you leaving? Yeah, she is.
She's like, yeah, you want this. Okay. Oh, thank you. Goodness.
Are you first?
I'm first. Bracelet me.
I'm sorry, I don't do this at the nightclub, so you know.
Good job.
You're properly trained. You know, here and there.
Let me see if I can record myself. I don't want to get other people in swimsuits. It's giving a little 3-piece set. I can't see anything.
So you don't even know if you're in it?
Nope. I think I'm in it. We should have done this before I ate, so my abs could have shown a little more.
We could do that, but what do you guys want to say? Mira, guys. Go over there, or we could go over there.
Yeah, let's go over there. Oh wait, over there is more like in the center of the, yeah.
It's more beachy.
It's more beachy. But look at the seagulls though, they're ready to attack. We don't have any food though, so we should be good. Remember when I left some like chips near your head and they almost killed you? Yep. It's not funny. It's not funny. They almost devoured your ass.
I really think she was daydreaming so that when she came back, she was like, huh? What do you want? What do you mean, what do I want? I said I forgot I have it. Never done this before. No, I literally never.
Good job, sweetie. You're doing great.
She's doing amazing. She said you have to dig a hole first and then you do it.
And now you can probably like
Yeah, we're trying to put this
drill it in.
umbrella
She said
up in.
drill.
Drill. Drill, baby, drill. Oh, there you go. I feel it.
Yeah.
Now twist it.
Good job, guys. Good job. It's beautiful.